Oh, it is raining. I was wondering why I felt like I was getting wet. Okay. Time to head home then. Oh, I can't see. Oh, wonderful. Really? Where did this rain come from? Well, I guess I'm getting my first rain ride in. Thank God I have the thing on my camera, so it's sealed up. Dude, nobody cares about this thing. Go, get out of my way. I gotta get home. I'm getting wet. I don't want to be wet. This is obnoxious. This sucks. Oh, this sucks. Well, guess we're learning how to ride in the rain now. Would you go? Oh, this blows. It said 0% chance of rain. And now look at us, getting wet because it's raining. This absolutely sucks. Oh well, whatever. I'm learning to ride in the rain, I guess, today. It is what it is. I'm not gonna lie, this rain actually really hurts. Like, I even have my jacket on and I can feel it hitting my arms. Okay, I think it actually stopped. Maybe. I'm terrified of these little, it's called crack seal, but everybody calls them road snakes. I'm terrified of these road snakes being slick because of their water. If any of you are cops, please just leave me alone. This is terrible. Oh, it's coming down again. I can't see shit. So if I turn my head, it makes the water go away, so that's nice. Learned something new. Where did this even come from? It literally did not say it was going to rain today. I checked the forecast like 5 times today, and it said nothing about rain. Well, I guess I'm going to be taking my bike in for the break-in service with exactly 600 miles on it. comfortable. Absolutely blows. Okay, so I don't remember who it was that made it very, very clear to stay out of the middle of the road whenever it rains. Whew, but that was accurate. My whole front tire was just literally like floating. Oh, this is terrifying. I don't like this. I don't like this at all. Okay, we're almost home. Almost there. Oh my God. It's very hard to see. Oh, off of the new asphalt. Now I got a little more traction, so that's good. That's nice. All right, so back in the garage. Oh, this sucks. Dang, man, I was really hoping for a good long ride tonight. I'm soaked, so that's fun. I'm gonna take this gear off. Hi, girlie. Watch out.